the money that you pay and you provide your family, do you think this is better, or sadaqah, the money that you give for a poor person? Which is better in the sight of Allah? This person here is saying that her husband is treating her harshly because he wants her to pay the rent. Number one, it's haram because you're the one who's supposed to be paying. Now, in Islam is very clear regarding this matter. There is no dispute. If the wife was a millionaire, or she was, as they say, the daughter of a king, she's a princess, and the man is just a person who has a normal job, is there in any case it's an obligation on the woman to provide for the man? No. He married her, he proposed, she accepted, khalas. He takes care of her. Starting with the mahar, it is her right. You give 5 dirhams to a poor person in the street, or you pay money 5 dirhams to buy water for your family, and which they need. Of course, what you pay for your family is an obligation. The husband making it difficult, indirectly forcing his wife. What do I mean by indirectly forcing his wife? For example, treating her in a bad way, changing his attitude towards her, or even abandoning her in the bed with the excuse that he's tired, he doesn't speak with her until she pays the rent. When she pays the rent, he's happy with her. What does this mean? Isn't this indirectly forcing the wife to pay? It is. It is indirectly forcing the wife to pay. Many people don't understand this. And when they pay the money, they pay while they're sad and they're angry. It's like as if it's taxes. This is something bad. This is really something bad. And subhanAllah, marriage is not just about money. Now look, if the wife, she herself decided to pay something and decided to help without any force, Jazakallah khair, may Allah reward her. This is something that is accepted, no problem. In terms of Islam, you are not obliged, sister, to pay this. But as an advice, if you paid this to rectify what's between you and your husband, because the reality, sister, I'll tell you from experience, if you go and tell him, no, I asked the Sheikh and he said it's not an obligation upon me, I feel this will cause a bigger problem. You're not obliged, but if you do this to fix this relationship, this is something good. Sometimes we try to be a bit more flexible to fix the situation. In terms of your right, sister, it is your right, definitely. To correct the situation or to make life easier, you can do this, and this is definitely an option for you. Allah Alam.